we'd still be friends, and I think your family was really weird.
Who's that?
Happy birthday, love, Sharon and George and Sarah Lynn. We better sing.
That's a good one.
You gotta be by your cake.
I can't. No, it's okay. It would be easier for you to move over here.
Just lift it.
Here, just go like this.
What y'all think? Somebody pass me those plates. That bothers me.
Mom, here. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, now you can sing happy birthday if you want.
Hey, Mom. Smile.
Brandon, sing happy birthday. Your wedding.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Susie. Happy birthday to you.
How come you're not singing?
You're 51 you're 51 on Tuesday.
How old?
61, 61. 61, I
I
think.
like the first one the best, Natalie.
What do you mean just like her wedding? I know.
Kayla was like, okay, now we're going to take a picture of you cutting the cake. Here, hold it like this.
You know she was rushed like she
Cut the cake just like a wedding.
That's rude.
I wasn't in a hurry. It was
Not
late. Nate's not been in a hurry. You're the one
He was, too.
No, I just told him to bring me the cake so I could put the candles in.
Grandma, you were the one who told him to go eat and go get ready and hurry. He needed to eat.